Assalamualaikum friends, first we have to open a new file path, then click open. In this video we are going to discuss about fold, unfold, flatten and simple hold options in the sheet metal. Let's move on the software. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the normal view and go to the sketch, and by utilizing the line command I just draw the profile of sheet metal. And then select a OR command to close the open profile. After that you have to just click OK, then exit the sketch, go to the sheet metal and select a base flange tab option and select our corresponding closed profile and specify the amount of thickness to be added for our sheet metal which we create here. Just specify the amount of thickness for the sheet metal and just click OK. After that we are going to apply the edge flange here, so select edge flange and select our corresponding edges to create a flange. The edge flange and a base flange is must necessary for a unfold and folding options. So that's why I am create a edge flanges here and select a required line edges for create edge flanges. Then click OK after the edge flange is created. Now our edge flange is successfully created here. Now I am going to apply the unfold option. You have to just give the different color for the edge flanges for a better understanding and visualization. After you give the required color, then I am going to discuss the following options. First I am going to start in a unfold option. Then I discuss the fold option. Move on the software, select the unfold option. In a first fixed face we have to select a base flange face of the sheet metal. In a bends to unfold, we need to select a bending radius part of the flanges. I just selected two bending of the flanges and then click OK. Now the selected flanges are unfolded here. Likewise, you can unfold any other flanges. Just select a fixed face and then select a bending radius part in each flange. Just select the bending radius part and click OK. Now the selected flange is also unfolded successfully. Likewise, you can fold the sheet metal by selecting a fixed face and a bending face. Now we are going to discuss about fold option. Just select a fold option and select a fixed face as a base flange tab and select a bends to fold. Select a radius bend of the edge flange and click OK. Now all the selected corresponding edge flanges are automatically folded. I hope you are clear in your fold and unfold options. Let's move on to the flatten option. While we select a flatten option, automatically all the bends in your whole sheet metal gets flattened. Now the all bends in our sheet metal get flattened. After that you have to just click here exit flatten option in your right corner to get the default shape of our sheet metal. And then the last option we are going to discuss about in this video is simple hole. Just select a simple hole and select a corresponding face where we want to create a hole. Then you can specify the diameter and depth of hole is to be produced as per your requirement. Just click OK. Then the extrude cut and event option we have discussed in your previous sessions. So thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Assalamualaikum friends. First